comfortable with the free Quran and free warm food distribution. It's every Saturday and Sunday in different locations in Suffolk County. A lot of people have no knowledge of Islam, so we spread the word of oneness of God and give them free Quran, give them all the information they needed. And people are very appreciative of what we do, how we help the community. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.